What we have here today is 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe Convertible. It was a very limited production vehicle, very rare to find one, especially in this condition. This particular vehicle is what we refer to as a Restomod. It's a chassis up build, everything is brand new. Has all the modern amenities that you would have in a newer car. If you look under the hood, you will see it's a crate 350. Does have air conditioning, power rack and pinion steering, every amenity you'd want. Beautiful red paint, complete top to bottom. Let's take a look inside. Inside, you will find a nice tan, all leather upholstery, tilt steering wheel, dolphin gauges, vintage air, power seats, power windows. When did you see power windows in 1951? No, that's right, you didn't. The car has 4,500 miles on it since completion. It was taken 2 weeks ago. The car attended the Cars and Cops for Kids charity car show in Oviedo, and it took Oviedo Police Chief's choice. You're never going to find another finer 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe Convertible than this one right here.